If you've ever had a technician raise an eyebrow, or worse, raise their voice over a paycheck, you're not alone. In a survey conducted by Ducker Carlisle in conjunction with iCar and SCRS, collision repair shops see 30 to 40% of technicians turning over every year. With over 60% of technicians on flat rate pay plans, what is perhaps the most concerning detail in this report is that flat rate as a pay type is very unpopular, and a reason that many technicians do not recommend the career to friends or family. That's a problem. But it's also an opportunity. Let's talk about how to make pay, and more specifically pay type, less stressful for your employees. Hey, it's Craig here. Let's talk about something that should feel great, but sometimes doesn't: payday. Today we're covering 4 practical steps to remove the mystery from payday, reduce stress, and build serious trust with your team. Welcome back to CCC's Run My Business series. This is your go-to spot for smart, straightforward ways to run your shop better, whether you're managing people, processes, or both. And just like you, many of us have got some roots in this industry and understand some of the day-to-day challenges you face. So let's dive into 4 ways to make payday something your team could actually look forward to. Step 1. Provide real-time pay sheet access. Imagine your techs knowing exactly what's coming on payday before it hits the bank. Mobile-friendly real-time pay sheet access lets techs see their flagged hours and jobs as they go. No more surprises, no more, "Hey boss, this isn't right." Combine that with an ability to request more time or time off, and you've just streamlined the entire process within the place most people spend so much of their time: on their phones. You save time, they save stress, everybody wins. Step 2. Let technicians submit digital pay adjustment requests. Mistakes happen, especially in a busy shop, but when technicians can submit pay adjustment requests digitally, it keeps the conversation clear and professional and keeps them in their bay. No break room discussions, no after-hour texts, and no paper notes that could easily get lost on your desk. It also creates a record of requests and a resolution. Step 3. Use a centralized dashboard to review approvals. For managers and owners, a central dashboard is a game changer. You can see which requests came in, what got approved, what's still pending, and why. Add notes, track changes, and keep everything moving along. Transparency for you and for your team. Step 4. Foster open pay conversations. Finally, and maybe most importantly, talk about pay openly. Not the private stuff like what Jim and Jen get on their paycheck each week. Let your team know how pay is calculated. Invite questions. Explain how they can maximize hours and earnings. Shops that foster transparency aren't just more efficient, they keep good people longer, and they may actually work better as a team as a result. There you have it. 4 clear steps to remove the mystery from payday and build trust that lasts. 1. Provide real-time pay sheet access for stress-free management. 2. Let technicians submit digital pay adjustment requests to save time. 3. Use a centralized dashboard to review approvals, making payroll management easier. And 4. Foster open pay conversations with your team to grow transparency. Want more ways to streamline operations and retain top technicians? We've got tools and insights to help. Check the link below. And if you found this one helpful, like and subscribe for more tips to run your business.